my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ida Helis. In today's video, we're going to be doing a Boxy Charm unboxing for the month of May in 4K. So Boxy Charm is a monthly subscription box that gives you 5 full-size beauty products for $25 a month with free shipping. So I decided to get and subscribe to it. So this is actually the month of May. So let me just open the box. So as you can see, the tab right here just says Hello Charmer and add Boxy Charm. I'm just gonna open it. Ooh, so it looks like this. So the first item here I see is the INN Beauty project, and this looks like it's a setting mist. So yeah, this is the INN Beauty mist. I actually have never heard of this mist right here, but I'm excited to try it and see how it works. So it says it helps to set makeup, energize, and revive skin. It filters away dull, tired, and stressed out complexion. So the next product I see here are the Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow. This is the dual set. So I got this one in the Cocoa Berry color. So this is like a purple glimmer shadow. I'm just gonna swatch it for you guys. So I'm gonna go like this. Ooh, this is pretty actually. So this is what it looks like. Very pretty color. I'm gonna swatch it again. It's actually very, very pigmented, which I like. And it has a little bit of sparkles in it. So I'm gonna open the other one and see what that one looks like. So the other one is like a silver, it's called French Vanilla, a silver eyeshadow. And I'm gonna swatch this one with a different finger. Let's see. For some reason this one looks like a little chalky, like a little bit like, it looks like chalk a little bit, but I'm trying to build it. So that's what that one looks like. So as you guys can see, it's like, it has sparkles in it, it's just silver. The next product I got is the English Nut Laundry number 7. I believe this is a perfume. I'm just gonna open it and see what it is. Yes. So it is a perfume. The bottle looks like this, and this is the 10 milliliter. So it's like a small bottle right here. I'm just gonna smell it and see if I like it. I'm very picky when it comes to perfume, so I don't know if I'm actually excited that this is in the box just because I am very picky. Actually, it's not terrible. Let me see. Let's see, I'm just gonna shake it off just so it doesn't smell too much like alcohol. Oh wow, it actually smells really good. I do like it. It smells really good, guys. I do recommend this. Oh my god, I'm like putting eyeshadow in all the products now. This was a bad idea. Look at my fingers, so dirty. So yes, I do like this. I do like this perfume right here. Very excited to try this. The next product on the box is called, it just says blush, and it has like the peach emojis here. I'm just gonna open it and see what brand it is, just because I'm not really sure. It just says blush on the front. So the blush I got is called Show Me Your Cheeks Blush by Elizabeth Mott. That's what it looks like. And then the color they gave me is the peach pink. I have never heard of this brand as well. So basically everything in this box I'd never heard of. But I am excited to try. I'm just trying to swatch this and see if I like it. I don't know if you guys could see this on camera, but it doesn't show that much. I guess it's not very pigmented, but it's like a subtle pink. I actually don't hate it. Sometimes I don't want too much blush on me. So I'm just trying to swatch it and build it up a little bit just so you guys, to see if you guys could see. So it looks like that. I see here is the Sutra Mini Ceramic Curling Iron. I'm just like gonna take it out of the packaging. So yes, this is just a curling iron. And it's by the company Sutra Beauty. It looks like this. And this is a compact design, tourmaline ceramic barrels, professional salon quality, fast heat up and recovery. So I'm just going to take that out. I like that it comes in a little black pouch here just for easy storage. And then, actually I don't hate this. 19 mm, that's the size of it right here. And it looks pretty small. It's like a mini curling iron. I like this a lot. I feel like I could store this for traveling and it won't take too much space. And I like the color as well. It's just like a light, subtle purple. And then my name right here. I like this product a lot. So I'm actually very excited to try all these products in this box. So that's everything that came in this. I'm not like extremely excited just because I thought I was gonna recognize either one or two of these products, but these are actually all products I never heard of before. So what I'm gonna be doing is adding up the prices of each product and see how much this box is worth. So this NN Beauty mist is worth $22. Wow, this is pretty expensive, right? Curling iron right here is actually $49.99. Isn't that surprising? Like a mini curling iron is actually $49.99. This seems expensive to me, but I'm not gonna complain. And the two eyeshadows right here, the dual set, they're worth $25. The blush by Elizabeth Mott is worth $23. And the English Laundry number 7 perfume in 10 milliliters is worth $24. So in total, this whole box is worth $143.99. So I'm actually very surprised. I never thought this whole box was going to be $143. Let's just round up to $144. I thought this was actually going to be like $90 just because the products don't look like they're super expensive to me the way it looks like. And like even these two eyeshadows right here are all $25 when it's like so small. But like I said, it's not terrible because I do like the colors like I showed right here. They're very pigmented and they're very pretty colors. I'm very excited to try it on my next makeup look. I'm excited to see what the Boxy Charm for the month of June is going to be. I'm very like anxious. I want to see what I'm going to get in the next subscription box. I hope it's like better products, just like more branded products that I know of. But this wasn't too bad. Oh my gosh, I'm like a mess. Like my hands are like full of glitter. This is all messed up right here. I'm like, even the box is like full of eyeshadow. I'm like a mess. Oh my god. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what you thought of this Boxy Charm box, the beauty boxes, what you thought of the products. Was this worth it? Was this not? And don't forget to click the bell down below to notify you whenever I post anything. And like I said, I am out, bitch. Baby, come cut this off.